As 2024 comes to a close, it's time to look back at the year that brought both challenges and opportunities for businesses worldwide. In this video, I will take you through the main topics that shaped the business landscape in 2024. Hello, I'm Julian Kawohl, founder of Ecosystemizer and co-author of Ecosystemize Your Business. Over the years, we have worked with more than 100 companies, helping them navigate the complex world of business ecosystems and prepare for the future. Topic number one, the impact of AI, which is no surprise. AI continued to transform industries in 2024 with significant developments in generative AI and machine learning, reshaping business operations and customer interactions. For instance, Microsoft made headlines by integrating AI into its productivity tools, such as Copilot in Microsoft 365. This advancement showcased how AI is not only enhancing efficiency and decision-making within organizations, but also strengthening Microsoft's position at the center of a growing ecosystem. And Microsoft, of course, is not the only one. By embedding AI into widely used platforms, Microsoft and others have created network effects that connect users, developers, and partners, enabling new value creation and collaborative innovation across its ecosystems. Number two, sustainability as a business priority. Also, that is not a surprise. Sustainability remained at the forefront of corporate agendas in 2024. Many companies expanded their focus on environmental responsibility with initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and fostering circular economies. One of the biggest examples is Ikea. Ikea's ambition to become fully circular by 2030 highlights its strategy to collaborate with suppliers, customers, and external partners to create a closed-loop CO2 reduction ecosystem. By fostering partnerships across industries and empowering stakeholders to contribute to circular practices, Ikea is driving ecosystem-wide innovation and transforming sustainability into a collective effort. And of course, Ikea is not the only one, it's just an example. And number three, adoption of ecosystem mindset and strategies across industries. Businesses increasingly turned to ecosystem strategies to foster collaboration and drive innovation across industries. These partnerships enabled companies to address complex challenges more effectively. One noteworthy example is the collaboration between BMW and AWS, which developed a cloud-based platform to improve manufacturing efficiency. This partnership highlighted the potential of ecosystem collaboration to achieve operational advancements. So, leadership in 2024 emphasized adaptability, inclusion, and purpose for more collaboration. Leaders increasingly recognize that fostering collaboration and innovation requires leveraging the power of ecosystem. A notable example is Satya Nadella, once again Microsoft, who not only advanced the company's AI-driven initiatives, but also positioned Microsoft as a hub within a broader technology ecosystem. By engaging with partners, developers, and customers through platforms like Azure and Microsoft 365, Nadella's leadership showcased how ecosystems enable co-creation, shared innovation, and ethical progress. This approach underlines the evolving demands on leaders to orchestrate complex networks of stakeholders in a rapidly changing business landscape. If you liked this video, please consider giving it a thumb up. Don't forget to explore also our other videos for in-depth discussions on the evolving world of business ecosystems. And for more tools and resources to help you navigate the ecosystem journey, visit also our website. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.